Hey guys, me and my little cousin here are doing a game called Who Can Slap Box? No. Come on, Gooby, let's slap box. Come on, let's show them a little game called Slap Box. Come on. Okay guys, we're here and we're gonna do a game and it's called Slap. It's called who can crack their knuckles without sitting out and make. Wait, we're doing a little trick. Just see can I crack the Jatari's knuckles? No, he's gonna crack his own and I'm gonna crack mine. Ready, set, go. If you hit one, just know that's our friend. Gooby, you out. I didn't say out. I was like, that's it. That's the end of this video. Subscribe and like this video. No, subscribe and like Shawana Cooper. And if you want to slide in Jack Swag and Sudden Jack. If you want to see more of this video, subscribe to all of them and give us 1,000 likes. Oh, see ya.